So behind the scenes, Jeff is an API. An API created thanks to FASTAPI AI in Python. What you can do with FASTAPI AI is to access documentation, and you can also query the API in real time. Let's have a look. Here I have all the parameters of my API. I can try it in real time. I can ask the question, so what's the meaning of the catx function in SAS? Select the second model, which corresponds to Mistral, and I can execute it. So that works because it's an API. As you can see here, we have the answer. But I can do also, because I have basically a URL with an endpoint, with parameters. So what I can do is to do it exactly the same in SAS. So here I have an Enterprise Guide project where I've written my URL. I defined a couple of prompts, and have a look here. When I run it, I have my prompt. So what's the meaning of catx function in SAS? So here I will get the answer directly in SAS. So SAS is used behind the scenes. The question is here, the answer is there. But here from SAS Enterprise Guide, I have a possibility to execute ChatGPT queries, but also Mistral, or eventually local model. This URL can also be used, in fact, everywhere that you can make a call. I can do it also in Python. That's what I did here with Python. I have my parameter here, my response is there, so it's just request.get URL and the params, and automatically you have the answer. What you can do also is to do it in Excel. So in Excel, I created a small function. It's not so small, but I created a function called getAnswerFromJeff, containing the list of parameters. So here I put the questions, capitale de la France here, okay. What I can put also is, what's the meaning of catx function in SAS? Okay, as you can see here, automatically my function will take my question and answer into my cell. That's interesting because I created some profiles which are more for SAS, more for Python, more for SQL. Some of them can translate, some other can correct the French or correct English, and everything is into Excel thanks to, in fact, a small function with different parameters, very easy to use. So behind the scenes, everything is calling that API, and I can monitor all the call to that API. Thank you.